Hi, I'm Chris Kemp. Welcome to our vlog on lawyering the AI stack. If you're advising on AI contracts at the moment, you will certainly have had to contend with what we might call the model layer. By the model layer, I mean a kind of flexible interface of proprietary and third-party AI models that your application can call out to and to which it sends packets of your data for processing. You can think of it as an emerging layer in the as-a-service tech stack. In other words, a new risk interface, albeit the risks aren't entirely new. Confidentiality, data protection, information security, they're all in play, of course, but the model layer does add a new kind of complexity. New regulatory questions also arise around the EU AI Act, DORA for financial entities, and NIS2 in the EU and the NIS regulations in the UK. And new contractual patterns are emerging. Third-party acceptable use policies would be a good example. So what should you do? A few steps might be a good starting point. First and foremost, map the stack. And that means understand which models, third-party or otherwise, your applications are actually using. Will they change over time? Does your organization control which ones are called? If so, how? Second, obviously, review contractual rights with the vendor. What commitments is the vendor making about what third-party providers can do with your data and what they can't? Do you have a direct relationship somehow with the third party? How does this affect sub-processes, for example, in the DPA, if you have one? Third, understand what data passes between you, your vendor, and the third party. What data is it? How much of it is there? And what happens to it at the other end? That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching.